Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Visual Studio Code in your Windows computer. So first of all, you have to open your browser. In this case, I will use Google Chrome. Then you will have to type Visual Studio Code. In the first link, you will have directly the download option. You have to verify that the page is code.visualstudio.com. Then you enter to the download link. It will show you the operative systems. So you will choose Windows. Then you have to wait until the download is complete. You will have the possibility in your browser, depending on which one you're using, to open the installer from the browser directly, clicking on the name of the file. But if you don't have this option, you can look into the directory where you download the installer. In this case, I will show you. I have this directory that it's called installing VS Code. Here I download the installer, so I will open it, making double click. Okay, here you will accept the license and you will select next, next, next. And if you want to have the launch icon in your desktop, you will have to choose the first option. Then you click next and install. You wait a few seconds until the installation is complete, and it will show you a finish button. Okay, here say it's completed. So you click in finish, and this will open you the Visual Studio Code editor. So with this blue button here that says open folder, you can open a previous project that you have, or you can go to file and create a new file to start coding. Okay, then you can close this window, and you will see here that in your desktop is the launch icon. If you make double click on it, it will open you the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so that's everything for today. Thanks for watching us, and subscribe to the channel.